Welcome to a short video where we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of effectively responding to customer feedback using our dashboard. To begin, access the feedback section by navigating to the dashboard sidebar navigation. Once you're in the feedback section, you can find all your customer reviews. You can filter reviews by date, star ratings, or use advanced filters to narrow down your search. Each review provides you with essential information, including the customer's name and address, order reference, star rating, title, and a review snippet. You'll also see when the review was written and published, along with its read status. To respond to a review, click the Open Review button. Here, you can compose your reply. If you want to notify the customer about your response, ensure the Notify Customer box is checked. They can then choose to amend their feedback or reply to your comment. Consider unchecking this box if the customer is unlikely to change their opinion. You can also forward the review, share it on social media, or mark it as to do if you plan to respond later. Once you've addressed the feedback, you can close the discussion. This means the customer won't be able to reply further. If you believe a review is unfair, you can flag it for moderation. This temporarily removes it from public view, and our team will assess whether it should be restored or removed. You can respond to service and product reviews separately by selecting the appropriate tab. Make use of features like notes to create internal comments not visible to customers. The changelog helps you track actions and responses made to feedback. Remember, engage with as many reviews as possible, whether they're positive or negative. It's a great way to show your commitment to customer feedback, and it's something Google appreciates. And that's how you respond to customer reviews using our dashboard. We hope this tutorial helps you better connect with your customers and improve your online presence.